Gathering with the needle and thread is a simple hand sewing technique used to create soft, even ruffles or to adjust the fullness of fabric. Here's how to do it. You want to start off by threading the needle, use a sturdy thread, and tie a knot at the end. Sew a running stitch. Insert the needle in and out of the fabric, making evenly spaced stitches, about 1/4 inch apart. You want to make these stitches along the area you want to gather. Pull together. Gently pull the thread to gather the fabric, adjusting the fullness evenly as you go. Secure the gathers. Once the fabric is gathered to your desired width, knot the thread to hold the gathers in place. This technique is perfect for adding ruffles to skirts, sleeves, or any garment needing a touch of volume. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out my other sewing tutorials to enhance your sewing experience. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.